Alright, so we are back for another unboxing, and this is gonna be a different unboxing. This is actually a drill, and I did search for a drill that fits my needs, and this is actually a professional level drill from Bosch, one of the most popular tools company. And I did like their products because they have pretty good service, and also the products that they produce is really high quality. It will last the test of time, and this actually fit my needs, and it's actually a set, and it has a case as well. So I would say it's pretty good value for the money. I got it for around 3,200 pesos, which is around $50 to $60. It's a really good price for a drill. And yeah, we're gonna unbox it and give you guys my impressions in the whole box and what comes in the box. We're not gonna test it in this unboxing video, but I'm gonna show you guys what you are gonna get. Actually, it says impact drill, so 650 watts as well. I did also like the wattage in this one. So I'm actually considering this versus the GSB 550, if I believe, and that's a 550 watt drill, and it's actually also pretty popular, but it's pretty similar in price. So I kind of opt to add maybe around 500 pesos or $10 to get the more professional level drill, and it has on sale, so it's pretty good value, I'd say, when I got it. But for the original price, I think this is around 5,000 pesos or around $100. So yes, definitely in the more pricey side of tools for me, but still very interesting. So it says impact drill keyed chuck. Min RPM is 0 to 3,150, and 1.5 to 13 millimeter, and also max 13 millimeters, and 47,000 BPM. So this is the case, and you're getting that kind of Bosch logo, really nice looking and very big also. So let's open it up. This is what you are gonna get. So that's nice overall. So we have two sizes. Actually, it doesn't fit the camera, but I'm gonna try to, there you go, a blowout version of this one. So this is what you are gonna get. So it's too big for my table, so we're gonna do a side view in this one. So you're getting some manuals. It says GSB professional and Bosch as well. Putting that aside, and you're getting a pretty nice selection of stuff. So let's take a look at the accessories first. So first, you're gonna get a cutter. So it's made of plastic overall, and has some key bits as well inside. So not the best build. I was actually expecting kind of a metal build in this one, and also getting a pretty good number of drill bits, and you're also getting several tools as well. So you can use this pretty versatile overall, and you're getting also quite a sizable number of accessories. In this part, you're getting a screw, and I believe that is for walls, so that's nice. And in this side, you're also getting the same thing, but this one is a bit longer, so that's cool. And in this side, you're getting an even longer one, I think. So yeah, different sizes. There's a lot of accessories. I did like this one over the one with just a pouch. I did like this one because it's more organized. And of course, you're getting the handle in this side. So yeah, around the house. So this one might be safer for you. It's a pretty big handle actually. And this one is seems to be a tape measure. And yeah, it's made of plastic. Not the best built, and doesn't have a Bosch branding as well. So that's a bit unfortunate. So I did wish that yeah, Bosch branding, but yes, you have it in the set. So definitely something that you can use for sure around the house. And this one seems to be your measure for drilling. So this is your measure. So just to make sure that yeah, perfect drilling distance all the time. So that's it mostly for this part. And let's take a look at this side. And here you're getting some nuts as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 sizes. So pretty versatile. And this is a hammer, all metal in build, and does feel good also. So really nicely built in this one. But no Bosch branding though. Yes, I was expecting everything should be Bosch branded. Not a big deal for me, but yes, it will be better to look at for me. So getting some pliers. So definitely, for a handyman around the house, for repairs, this might be good because yeah, it's a pretty good number of accessories overall. So the pliers, just okay in terms of the build. Again, I'm expecting more better quality, but it does work. Yes. So another one would be this one. So this is very useful also. I don't have this around the house. Again, no Bosch branding, not the best feeling that I have held again, but it's good that you have it in the set. So this one is your leveler, and no Bosch branding again, but it does work. All right. So I'm actually impressed with the sheer number of accessories, but of course with the I'm expecting more of more branding and a little better quality. And now we are going to the drill, and this is really heavy. This is yeah, it's my first time actually handling a drill, and I find this to be heavy, and definitely you would want your handle in this one. So maybe that's why there's a handle just to support this. And yeah, I'm not 100% sure how this is gonna fit, but I'm sure it's gonna fit here in this side. But this is the drill itself. So it says professional GSB RE. Of course, you're getting a trigger, and I believe this is your lock, all right, for locking the drill in place. Right off the bat, it does feel good in the hand. It hugs my hand, and I do like that the grips here really makes your hand in place, really makes it stable. So yes, and this side you have a switch as well, and you also have another switch at the top, and it's going to be on the drill part, and it's quite big also. And that's your slot for your drill. And yeah, I mean, actually all in the build quality in this really feels solid. So out of all the bunch, this is the most solid feeling out of all of these. So yeah, so that's my initial unboxing. It's quite bigger than I expected actually, and also a bit heavy side. So yes, I'm gonna use this and try to do some woodworking with this as well. Yes, I'm gonna test it out and maybe give you guys my impressions in this one, how I used it. So if you have additional questions, let me know down in the comments below. And of course, if you want more unboxings like this, we're gonna unbox other Bosch stuff as well, anything tech that comes here in this channel. So I'm gonna try to mix things up. Subscribe for more content like this, and leave a like if you learned something. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next Z-Bolt unboxing. Goodbye.